Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Dell docking station suddenly stops showing anything through HDMI and the monitor stays blank or refuses to connect, it can definitely become frustrating when your entire setup depends on external screens. Sometimes the monitor turns on but shows no signal, while other times the laptop detects nothing even though everything looks plugged in correctly. A problem like this can happen because of cable placement, display settings, power interruptions, or temporary communication issues between the dock and monitor. Before assuming something major is wrong with the docking station, there are a few simple things worth checking because many HDMI issues can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix a Dell docking station HDMI not working. Try these. Step 1. Check the HDMI cable connected to the Dell docking station and make sure it sits securely in both devices. Step 2. Confirm the Dell docking station stays powered properly if the monitor suddenly stops displaying anything. Step 3. Change the monitor input connected to the Dell docking station and confirm HDMI is selected correctly. Step 4. Disconnect and reconnect the Dell docking station to the laptop if display recognition feels delayed. Step 5. Restart the laptop linked with the Dell docking station to refresh monitor detection settings. Step 6. Test the display through the Dell docking station HDMI connection and confirm the monitor begins responding normally again.